Now you can make up to $1 just watching Google Ads, and you can do it from your phone. You just need a smartphone and a good internet connection, that's it. What if I tell you guys that you are just one click away from making a good passive income just from your phone? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money just watching Google Ads. So without wasting any further time, let's go towards our money making site. I'm gonna reveal the name for this website at the end of this video. Before that, let's see how this website gonna give you money from ads. So first, sign up for this website and it's totally free. Then you're gonna see this dashboard for this website. Here you can see website page for every different section. Like you can see here on screen, you can do surveys, playing games, watching ads, and from spins, and many more. So for our today's topic, we're gonna go earn coins from PTC ads. So for earning from watching ads, we're gonna go to earn coins tab and then go to view PTC ads, as you can see on screen. And here you're gonna get all the ads that you can watch and earn, like you can see. Just watch this ad for 20 seconds and you can earn up to 24 coins. And watch this for 7 seconds and you can earn 24 coins. So I'm gonna open this ad and then this new page opens. Just stay at this page for 7 seconds, then close it. And for validating your view, it's gonna ask you to click on this captcha. And then your view is successfully submitted and you're gonna get money for that. And then you can go and watch other ads as similar to first one. You're gonna see timing going down from the ad on top of your screen. And if you can then just scroll up and down on this page, so it's not gonna think that you are a robot. After timing went to 0, just close the ad and do the captcha as before, and that's how you earned your coins. And then you can watch the other ads as many as you want. Or if you wanna go to the other option, then you can go and play the games and earn more coins. More coins means more money. I'm gonna mention the link and name for this website in description, so make sure you click on that link and open the right website. And now as bonus, I'm gonna give you 2 more websites that gonna pay you for scrolling down social media. So here we're gonna come to this website, as I mentioned the link for this website in description already. And here just answer these simple questions like I'm gonna do right now. Just click on start quiz and then it's gonna ask you what type of jobs you're looking for, as I'm gonna select work from home job. Then you can choose whatever social media platform you mostly use. I'm gonna go for TikTok here, and then select if you wanna make this job your full-time, part-time, or just a side hustle. And for last, select whatever device you use for operating those social sites. And here it's gonna give you estimate of how much money you can earn per hour. As you can see, in my case I can make up to $50 per hour, and it's all from home. And after that, just explore all the features and sign in and start making money. So check description for all the links and start making money. Subscribe, like and share if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.